Tired of the avocado struggle? Bruised fingers, messy countertops, and uneven slices? There's a better way. Introducing the all-in-one avocado superhero, the 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. This handy gadget effortlessly slices, cores, and separates the flesh from the pit, all with one tool. From perfectly ripe to rock-hard avocados, the 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer makes quick work of your prep, leaving you with frustration-free, delicious results. But wait, there's more. It's not just for avocados. This versatile tool also peels, cores, and slices other fruits and vegetables like butter, fruit, kiwi, and even tomatoes. Ditch the clutter of multiple tools. This compact and easy-to-clean slicer saves space in your kitchen drawer. Make meal prep a breeze. Get your 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer today. The product link in description and first comment.